All right, so this is the kind of crap that, right, so it's focused. So this is the kind of crap that I'm tired with all these vendors for the Buicks, right? So this is the tap and die set that I was waiting on, right? So you see that? That bolt only takes, that bolt hole only takes that much. After that, I'm fighting it to go in. And here's the next one. So this one, mind you, this is the first time I tried to put anything on any of these holes. This one over here, the tap barely even starts and it stops right there. Like, there you go. That's, and after that, I'm just marring the crap out of it. I mean, it's on the threads, you can see that, but then it gets really stuck. So from the tap, only the threads make it in there, right? So with this, I can see how deep that hole is. That's twice the length of the tap. These two front ones are the only ones that are actually worth anything. And the kind of luck I have, I guess, whatever rubs off of Damien, that back one is the worst one. So yeah, that is the story of these heads. These are the Champion GN1 whatever heads. I won these on a raffle from Full Throttle, whatever speed shop. Long time ago. I had these put on this whenever this engine was built, and then it was just kind of wrapped in plastic in the corner of the garage like you saw before. That same problem is on the top of the heads. I can't get the rockers on. That's the next set of holes that I gotta use this kit on, and yeah, make it happen. I know. I ended up actually spending some money on this because the last thing I need is a broken tap. To be honest, I can't tell the difference in the quality of these between this and the crap that you buy at Harbor Freight. But yeah. With all of that said, I know a lot of you are probably going to comment, or at least the usual subjects will comment about how I should have checked the threads, yada, yada, yada. The reality is that a lot of questionable quality parts make it through, I guess. I really don't know. I know some of these people, the amount of issues that I've had with parts that I've received. And this is the prime case in point. So, for those of you that are interested, pretty much what you see here is all the stuff that comes with the rockers. You get 2 sets of these with all the hardware really necessary. In my case, I'm short shims. After I checked the positioning of the roller tip on top of the valve stem, it was too far, what would you call that, forward or rearwards. Anyways, I needed to put shims to bring it to the center, which sadly enough, I am too short a bunch of these. So I went ahead and ordered a bunch more. These are the 0.06 shims. I have a bunch of the thin ones, the 30s, but even if I double them up, I don't have enough. So I order a bunch more of these, and then hopefully I can use these to make them even if I have to go up a little more. Otherwise, I'd have to figure out more shims, more weighting, I guess. But yeah, so I already ran the thread chaser on the passenger side. I'm probably going to hang these. Actually, I'm going to hang these at a later time because I need to set the RTV on there. I need to do both sides at the same time and have the crossover pipe fit it on there when I clamp everything down. So the driver's side is not ready. And I kind of spent most of my time trying to get this passenger side ready for the rockers, which was the goal for tonight, but that's not going to happen because I ran out of shims, or I don't have enough shims. So yeah, this is pretty much the story of my life with this project right now.